Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can save any color image as a black and white image like this. Here you can see that this is my color image, and now you can see that this image is converted as a black and white image. If you want to do that, then this tutorial for you, and here I'm going to show you a very simple steps to you can save any image as a black and white image. Keep watching. So here friend, we are going to delete this image, and now we are going to show you a method to save this color image as a black and white. Simply click on the is edit button. So now you can see that we are now redirect to edit panel, and here friend you can see that many options are available. You simply click on this brush, and friend here you will get many options are available. You simply click here P and W option. So friend, now you can see that this image is converted as a black and white. You simply click on this save option and save as a copy, and here you will save this image as a BW. So by this way you can easily save your image as a black and white. Now if you want to change the another thing, here we are going to show you the another black and white theme is also available. You simply click on this edit image, again click on this filter brush, and now here you can see that black and white cool. Whenever you click here, then this image is converted as a black and white. Now we are going to save this again and save as copy, and then simply here we are going to rename BWC black and white cool, and then save it. Now we are going to compare all the images so you will get the idea about it. So friend, here this is my color image, and when I here you can see that this is black and white image, and this is the black and white plus cool effect. So friend, this is a tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can save any color image as a black and white image. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.